Hi friends, good morning. We are making a spinach quiche today. My 8th grade graduate Farzeen is helping me in the kitchen. So we are just slightly in 1 tablespoon of butter or vegetable oil. We are slightly sauteing 1 medium onion chopped and 1 packet of frozen thawed drained spinach. And now we are just sauteing it a little bit and turning off the flame. We are going to add a little more spinach to it. Farzeen, can you add that spinach to the frying pan? So we are just adding a little bit of more spinach to the frying pan. Use your hands.
We're gonna restart this.
You're gonna turn up the heat a little bit like this, and then Farzeen is just sauteing it a little bit more, and we'll turn off the stove. We are done. Leave that. Over here in the mixing bowl, we took 6 medium to large eggs. We did beat them, and after that we added 1.5 cup of milk, vitamin D whole milk, or if you want 2% you can use 1.5 cup measuring cup of milk, 1 teaspoon or salt to taste, and we added 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I love the taste of the black pepper, and we just hand mixed it with the beater. And we are almost ready to mix 1 or 2 ingredients, which is like we have already adding some chicken sausages. We have diced them. You can dice them a little bit smaller if you like to add. So we are halfway done.
Okay, go.
We are using the Wilton Easy Bake Easy non-stick spray by Wilton, and I'm gonna just
Spray it all over the pan.
And I also have this one. Slightly sprayed it, mixed it. I'm gonna put it over here, and we'll see that how many we're gonna use.
So we also have the Dutch Farms 4 cheese blend, the lasagna one, and we're gonna put that in here.
It's a blend of mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, and romano cheeses. I'm gonna use, I have, I think, 8 tablespoons of cheese in it, 8 tablespoons, and I'm gonna mix now 1.5 cup of, this is 1.5 cup of measured all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add it to the mixture.
The previous mixture that we had with the eggs.
6 eggs, I'm gonna repeat. 6 eggs, 1.5 cup of 1.5 measuring cups of milk, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, or you can add if you like more salty, and then we are mixing. We added 1 tablespoon of black pepper.
Okay, so we're gonna blend it and then we'll come back with you guys. So we're gonna add half cup of vegetable oil.
You can also add half bar of butter. Right now I don't have butter, so I'm adding 1.5 cup measuring cup of.
So now we mix this all together. We'll come back with you guys when we're done mixing it. Now we are going to mix the previous mixture that we had before of
1 chopped medium onion, 1 packet of frozen or thawed and drained spinach. So we just added 1 tablespoon of oil, and on high flame we just sauteed it. We are adding this to the mixture.
Make sure you get all this mixture off the
spatula.
Yeah.
Okay. We try to save every bit of it. And after just doing a quick mix,
So it was a really quick mix. Sorry.
we're gonna add, and now we are just gonna use a spoon and we are gonna pour it in the dish.
So now we're adding the we just added a little bit more spinach, and now we're adding the four blend mozzarella.
And we are right now here using 4-blend cheese. Otherwise you can use mozzarella also. It's approximately 8 to 9 tablespoons of cheese which we are using. We are gonna just give it a stir with hand. And pour it.
Now we're gonna start pouring it into the bowl that we sprayed into.
Okay, looks like this. You have to just leave it a little bit, don't overflow, otherwise once it's gonna bake, gonna have this kind of thing. Okay, I'm just gonna taste. Good. And
Oh yeah, make sure to taste everything just to make sure it's good.
I like this. Little dash of pepper on top. Just a little. And I'm also using this
the chili garlic sauce, just to add a little bit more flavor into it.
We are gonna put it in a preheated oven. That's 375 degrees. We are gonna place it for 35 to 40 minutes or until the toothpick or butter knife comes out clean. So let's put it in the oven.
To the oven, like my mom said earlier, for the 375 degrees, we have it right here.
For 35 to 40 minutes.
Yep.
With that much mixture and the measurement I told you guys, I'm going to repeat at the end or write down in the comments below the full recipe. I was left with some of the mixture and this is good size glass dish. I just lined it with greased foil, aluminum foil, and then pour this mixture, the remaining mixture. And I'm gonna put this in the oven too at 375 for 35 to 40 minutes.
Now we're done, guys, finally with this. It's been 35 minutes and we are done with the quiche. We're taking this one and we have another one right here. We're gonna close this room. Okay.
How do you check? First you show them that the butter knife is coming
put
off
the butter knife
at any,
put it in here. Yeah, looks good. All the way it just comes out just like that.
Show it to you, it's all clean.
Yeah, it's all clean. It's all good.
Okay.
It comes out great.
And similarly over here.
Yeah.
All nice and
Looks
clean.
good.
It looks very nice. It's a crustless quiche
This is
spinach,
just our own recipe.
and it tastes really is moist. The oh my god, so nice and soft. And this one is my neighbor's dish, so I'm gonna send this to her, and I think we are gonna enjoy this one at home. I will let it cool down for easily 20 to 30 minutes. I will just cover it with a foil. I baked it uncovered, and now after taking it out from the oven, I'm gonna cover it so it doesn't lose its moisture or the softness. I'm gonna cover it, leave it at room temperature to cool down for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna make some pieces out of it. Or for this one, yeah, I'm gonna just make the pieces later after it's cooled down. And even for this one, I'm gonna send it like that, and they can just make the pieces according to their own choice. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and please do try. This is a very easy recipe. I would like to thank my son Farzeen. Thank you very much, Farzeen. Thank you for helping me, and you are doing great. After graduating 8th grade, you are home, and looking forward to more recipes. Looking forward to more recipes and more help in the kitchen. So it's a good time pass for you. So I'll take off. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Do try this recipe, and we'll return with some new recipes very soon. Take care. Goodbye.